The year is 2026, and the world of design has been turned upside down by artificial intelligence and hyper-automation. One question dominates every creative's mind. In this new era, should you master the simplicity of Canva or the power of Photoshop? Choosing the wrong tool today could mean becoming obsolete tomorrow. Let's dive into the ultimate showdown. I'm here to break down the technicalities, the workflows, and the industry demands of 2026 to help you decide. First, let's look at Canva. It's no longer just a template tool, it's an AI-driven powerhouse. Canva has democratized design. In 2026, their Magic Studio handles 90% of the grunt work for small businesses. With one click, an entire cross-platform campaign is ready. For the content creator, Canva is the undisputed king of speed. Their generative AI tools have reached a point where good enough is often excellent for the fast-paced digital market. Collaboration is where Canva shines. Entire teams can edit in real time without ever touching a server or a plugin. It has become the global standard for social media teams who need to move at the speed of culture. But then there's Photoshop, the industry titan that refused to be left behind. Photoshop in 2026 isn't just a photo editor, it's a canvas for pure imagination, powered by Firefly 5.0. While Canva focuses on templates, Photoshop focuses on control. Every pixel, every light source, and every shadow is yours to command. Professional workflows still demand the non-destructive layered architecture that only Photoshop provides. For high-end fashion, cinematic posters, and complex compositing, Photoshop remains the industry's gold standard. And don't forget the ecosystem. Photoshop's integration with the full Adobe suite is a moat that Canva can't cross. So, the battle lines are drawn. Speed and accessibility on one side, depth and precision on the other. Let's talk money. In 2026, Canva's pricing is unbeatable for individuals, but Photoshop is an investment in a career. The learning curve for Canva is a gentle slope. For Photoshop, it's still a mountain, but the view from the top is worth it. The job market in 2026 has split. Agencies want Photoshop masters, while startups want Canva ninjas. If you are a freelancer managing 20 clients, Canva's efficiency is your best friend. But if you are aiming for a seat at a top-tier creative agency, showing up with only Canva skills is no longer enough. It's about how you think. Are you an assembler of great elements or a creator of new worlds? Photoshop has leaned heavily into spatial computing and VR design, making it essential for the 2026 metaverse. Meanwhile, Canva has revolutionized quick turnaround video, making every user a semi-pro editor. When it comes to high-resolution print and color accuracy, Photoshop still holds the crown. The little things matter. Kerning, tracking, and custom ligatures, Photoshop wins on typography every time. But Canva's app ecosystem is catching up, allowing for integrations that automate social media posting and data visualization. Adobe's library of premium assets and fonts remains more curated and professional for high-stakes projects. Time is money. If a project doesn't require pixel perfection, using Photoshop might actually be a waste of resources. However, Canva's cloud-only nature can be a bottleneck. Photoshop's local processing power is a lifesaver in low-bandwidth areas. Interestingly, AI is making both tools more similar. The gap is narrowing every single day. The smartest designers in 2026 don't choose, they use both. They create the soul in Photoshop and the body in Canva. To be truly competitive, you should aim for proficiency in both. It makes you an unstoppable creative force. Employers now look for the versatility to handle a high-end brand refresh and a quick social media blast. The tool doesn't make the designer, the vision does. But the right tool makes that vision a reality. So where do you want to be? On the front lines of rapid content creation or in the lab of deep digital art? The verdict. Learn Canva for business and speed. Learn Photoshop for career longevity and artistic mastery. 2026 is moving fast. Don't let the choice paralyze you. Pick one today and start building. Mastery is the only currency that never devalues. Whether it's a mouse or a prompt, make it yours. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay ahead of the design curve. Smash the like button if you're a Photoshop pro or a Canva enthusiast. Let's see who has the bigger crowd. Which one are you going to master first in 2026? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. Your support keeps us going.